All started with my friend Hendi. He wanted to build a big scale model of my Piper J Cub. And I said to him, why don't you build my new design? And then I made these plans in just one night. The plane is Cessna L-19 or 01 Bird Dog. The wingspan is 2 meters or about 79 inch. You can download the PDF plans on my website. See more details about it on the video descriptions. Like usual, I use 5mm polyfoam or Depron foam, some plywood parts and aluminum strip for landing gear strut. He starts building from the fuselage. Because I didn't angle the firewall like my other previous model, you need to angle the motor to the right and down about 3 degrees on each axis. The right and down thrust angle needed to counter the prop wash and motor torque so the plane can fly straight and level. If you didn't apply the thrust angle, the plane will be turning to the left all the time. It's just a common setup for any RC plane with prop on the front. Hey guys, I got a new tool here. It's a 3D printer, a Bambu Lab X-1 Carbon. This is a dream come true. I had my first 3D printer long time ago but gave up using it because it have too many troubles. But this one is a bliss, almost like fire and forget. It also can connect wirelessly to my PC or to my phone. Some of my friends said it's a fast printer. Okay, we'll see about it with this palette figure. I found it in Thingiverse by Max Grutter. It's in 1/6 scale, so I resized it to match the plane and start printing it. And you know what? There's a camera inside the printer. So cool, isn't it? And yes, this is a flash printer. It's only need less than 2.5 hours to print the palette figure. The print quality is also very good. And then I paint it with acrylic paint, but it's hard to paint the eyes, so I print a visor to cover it and a mic. Wait, that carbon tube is not supposed to go through like that. It has break in the middle. Because the wing has dihedral angle like this. The carbon tube are two pieces on each sides. On this scene, he is making paper roll to guide the carbon tube like this. For some parts that need to be painted with red, use plastic primer for the first coat to make the acrylic paint can stick to the packing tape surface. This build video is not complete. There are some parts that are not covered here, like tail wheel mounting and wing support strut. Please check on the plans and the build instructions on my website. Rumpin Airfield, the runway that usually used for flying RC plane, is used for a music show. Because we are a bunch of nerds that love model planes more than anything, we move about 30 kilometers to the Villa Datica Airfield, base camp of the Cibubur Aero Modeling Club or CAC.
Udah buat kan udah sih. Ada sih. Hah?
Actually, I was just wanted to test the motor thrust, but it took off by itself, so I playing along with it.
Tinggiin.
The plane was underpowered and need downtrim on the elevator. It used engine props instead of electric prop, and I think that's also play a role beside a bad battery and ESC. It was about to stall, so I landed immediately. All 3 screws came out of their place, but nothing was broken. After waiting for about 30 minutes until the full-scale planes landed, we tried to fly it again. This time with new ESC and better 4S battery.
Yeah. Berarti baterainya apa ESC-nya nih? Enggak, hitam doang. Sana dikit. Sengaja, Om. Dibilang Lopez.
Nggak sengaja.
This plane is basically easy to fly, no drama at all.
Gas. Oh ini.
Angin gue.
Ya nggak apa-apa tuh nama. Mati.